Hey, everyone! Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a YouTube channel. Whether you're looking to start a new channel for your business or simply to share your passion with the world, this video will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. The first thing you need to do is sign into YouTube using your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one before you can proceed. Step 2. Go to YouTube Studio. Once you're signed in, click on the camera icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to YouTube Studio, where you can manage your channel. Step 3. Click on Create a Channel. In YouTube Studio, you'll see a button labeled Create a Channel. Click on this button to start the process of creating your new channel. Step 4. Choose your channel name and category. Now, you'll need to choose a name for your channel and select a category that best fits your content. Keep in mind that your channel name should be unique and easy to remember.